By now you've probably played with some of the built-in designs, but now we want to expand our possibilities and see what we can either put on the USB stick and put it into the side of the machine. So yes, there's a port for that. But we also have the Wi-Fi capabilities where you can go to the MySewingMastery.com website, create a free account, log in with the cloud information here, and also be able to sync designs that you have on your computer with this machine and skip the USB stick. So that's why a USB stick did not come with this machine, is because there is a free option that was included for sending designs directly to the machine. So if you have Wi-Fi at home, that makes that super seamless. But if you don't, or you just want to take a design that you have purchased that's on a USB stick and put it into the machine, that's an option as well. What are we looking for format? So every brand of machine has a different format. This Singer 9180 embroidery machine requires a VP3 format. So these days, that's a pretty common format. It's also found for Husqvarna Viking and Pfaff machines. So it is common. Now, older embroidery designs, if you do not see that as an option, you will need to use the free program on the MySewingMastery website, and you can save designs that are in other formats to that format. Then copy them to the USB stick, and let's put it into the machine. Let's see how this works, because this is a little bit different. You actually cannot work off the USB stick. You must take the design from the stick, save it on the machine, and then you select it from the machine to use. So there's one extra step when we get here, but that is no problem. I'm going to show you the steps as we go. Start by going up to the settings option and go save from USB stick. So this is what is key to remember. You must find the USB stick, and it will go right to whatever you have loaded. So I do have VP3 files showing here. I also have a folder, and I'm going to just go back up, that I have created, but eventually you've stitched out the design and you've already moved on to your next couple projects. So it's okay to just delete them out and kind of have a fresh page to start with as you bring more designs into the machine. I hope you'll check out all the videos we've done on this amazing Singer SE9180. You can check out the link below for our online classes that we do offer, plus all the additional free video tutorials we have created. Make sure you click like if you've watched this video.